Hey guys, welcome back to CJ Tricks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the slingshot on the yo-yo. So let's get right into the video. So to start off, you're going to have to throw a breakaway, which looks like that. So it's just your basic side throw. So if you don't know how to do that, just go look up on YouTube how to throw a breakaway on the yo-yo, and you should find some pretty good results. Next, you're going to need to know how to get into the trapeze, or the man on flying trapeze, which it is actually called. And this is all it is. So again, just look up on YouTube, and if you don't know how to do any of those, you're going to want to go check out those first. Now let's actually get into how to do it. So to start off, throw your breakaway and get into the trapeze. So get on your trapeze. Now your finger is usually like this, so you're going to flip it upside down. Once you do that, put your elbow, your inward elbow, here on top of the string, and then release the string out of the gap of the yo-yo. So let's try this again. You're on your trapeze, you turn your finger over, you put your elbow onto the string, release it back onto the string. Alright, so now once you're there, you're going to grab the inner string right there, grab it, go through the elbow and here, and pull it. So now if you point your head down, look down, you can pull the yo-yo up into that string. So let's try that again. Throw your breakaway into the trapeze, turn over, elbow, then grab the string and pull it into that string under there. So now, once you've gotten that down a few times, now we can move on to the next step. Quick overview. Finger, elbow, lift it up, and now what you're going to do is this string that you're holding, you're going to pull back, push it back a little bit, and release. So it's kind of hard to do it slow, but here's what it looks like in slow motion. So it's going to fall into the green triangle. So if you don't know what this is, it's basically a knot maker. But I'll show you how to get out of it right after this. So again, here, turn finger, bring it on the arm, push it under, and then as you can see right there in slow motion, it kind of like whips around. So you're going to see some like string kind of going like it's trying to like whip into the gap of the yo-yo. So that's your goal, is to get that string whipped under the yo-yo to land your green triangle. So once again, turn your finger over, put the string under, go through your arm, grab the string and pull it up. Now you're going to kind of move your finger back and drop that string. So once you're in this position, undo that twist, and you're going to hop the yo-yo up and out the front of that string. So you're probably going to be left in some tangles around your fingers, and that's no knot, so you will be good to go there. So this trick is not too hard, but it will take quite a bit of practice. So make sure you just practice it a lot. Make sure you pull back your finger a little bit and then kind of release the string into the gap of the yo-yo. And really once you're there, you just practice and practice a lot. It's not too difficult once you have your general motion down and how to get into that mount. But I would definitely recommend practicing a lot and make sure you go back a lot. So look at it and bring it back and release it into the gap of the string. So that's basically it for today. It's not too difficult, but just practice and keep practicing, and you will get it down in no time. If this video helped you, please leave a like and comment below if you want to see more yo-yo tutorials like this one. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, click right here. And if you want to see my last video, click right here. If you want to see the video that YouTube recommends to you, then click right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time on CJ Tricks.